Have you ever frozen during a math test, staring at the equation and wondering where to even begin? I have been there. In high school, I often found it time-consuming while solving an equation by hand, until one day one of my classmates showed me how to solve an equation in your calculator, and it changed everything. Since then till now, as an engineering student, I use this method to prepare for my tests and apply confidently. And as a result, I got a 780 out of 800 on my SAT math section. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can follow these steps and solve any quadratic equation on your scientific calculator. Whether you are preparing for a test or just solving your homeworks or just want to boost your equation solving skills, it's gonna work, trust me. I have used this method on my teaching my students on tutoring sessions and saw it firsthand how it increases the accuracy and boosts your confidence. And students are quite confident after using this method. I'm going to walk you through 5 simple steps to learn this method. Those are learning, identifying a quadratic equation, the basic formula, and then accessing to the right calculator mode, then entering the data and interpreting the solutions, and then avoid some common mistakes. The main point is understand the structure of a quadratic equation. The standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now identify the values of a, b, c correctly from the equation. Here our example is 2x squared minus 4x minus 6 equals to 0. Here a will be 2, b will be minus 4, and c will be minus 6. Then step 2 will be access the equation solving mode. Take your calculator, scientific calculator, and then you will find a mode button. Press the mode button and select option 5, that is equation. Then choose option 3, that is polynomial, and select the degree 2 quadratic equation. Step 3 will be enter the coefficients. Carefully input all the values of a, b, c that we found from step 1. From the calculator step, type a equals to 2 and press enter equal. Then type b equals to minus 4, then press equal. Then c equals to minus 6 and then press equal. Double check for all the signs. Remember to input all the positive and negative to avoid errors. Then step 4 will be interpret the solutions. After inputting all the values, you are gonna enter, that is equal sign, and then it will show you the answer, the solutions of the equations as x1 and x2. These solutions can be a real or complex number. You will have to learn how to read both. If you find the solution as a form of I, that will tell you that the solution is a complex number, and any decimal number or integer will give you the real solution. And then step 5 is practice more examples and to avoid common mistakes. Using this simple calculator function not only saves time but also builds confidence. And next time you see any quadratic equation, just don't panic. Just press a few buttons and let your calculator solve your equation. Thank you.